of measures it intended to implement as part of efforts to combat the menace of illegal mining in the country. At a meeting of organized labor on October 7, 2024, the meeting resolved that the measures announced by government were not adequate in addressing our demands and stopping the dangers posed by illegal mining. We therefore affirmed the strike notice and informed the government accordingly. Yesterday, October 8, 2024, the government team met with the leadership of organized labor and Ghana Employers Association. The meeting discussed at length organized labor's response to the earlier measures announced by government. Following this meeting, government offered enhanced and time-bound measures in respect of our demands and the fight against illegal mining. These measures include: 1, the revocation of the environmental protection, that's the mining in forest reserves, Regulations 2022, LI 2642. His Excellency the President has directed the Minister responsible for lands and natural resources to submit a memorandum for the revocation of the LI.
Enwachi UBPM was Asante Regional Political Party office holders. Ya Abdul Salam Diano, Wamusha friends and Jofonshia Moon, Wamadi and Cray, Emma organized labor, so Wamusrenyado, Wamun Ghana Fon Kakrebium, Na, the Omu Yesenka number Tiago Montrishi, Wamun Samrebim, Wamu Church Musa, Sakwa Etisa Sum Yenu Kokondia, Nakwabrania Triatanansi Trumuma, Kokurani Shaminum Sa Bay, any Ombachere, baby as yet Memu Ghana. Yani aho bekire ye pa Abdusalam na e convener odi adomanim na wakachira ban sese kwa ibrencho da ho na aseboni achirebe ni apremle wo mu edi apafo ne gina no nti se gadam se ko na prosifo ntume nkode a ene mama no asoja fo ne nkwa site ahodo no wo nkoko na afa aho line no so edi akoto mra chebe gafie mu no wo manya ne ntentem na wo mpasse ne ntumi nya adwuma na wo hwe kwan se nka ne Ghana adwuma fo be se mpema enum ene wo betiagu montre so aye ye kire.
Appeal to your papa num, organized labor. Say, strike among our mobile some color children. Cabea and come entry sign. If he said, some of us negative effect of a film abano, in Susansoni na a Becca Ghana for you. And yet, a bina or more target in one. The GDA say, per se a buana fatigalum say, or not Ghanaian, only more shino. And shouldn't be allowed to suffer. Send home and I'm say, you're fatigue. Minimum the office a bear about boy. I propose the mom say, the kind among prepare a pact to be all the political parties in Nano, I don't munsa beshe a sign. Say, I do with the energy to say, quite reason never fast so fatigue.
Way a party office. Holders of 4 women central for Shamua one fray. Archdiocese ya war and crying. Woman so benanti chroma bompire and crack of my pine a defiada. Say a bank can and gadam say true. The titru pa any and so any acquire brain chum. Now the odi domain central for Casa Reverend Nicholas Azen. On a president and wo church muse. A therapy a gadam say in podi. Woman wow yen or yen is a katia niwa. Your mining companies be bring so hot quite home fastra. To form a good year no emwa yakwa e brentio ene yensu anti womo enante na womo asre aban se wonkeka ne ho no nya bibi mfa ho.
This prayer work is to raise awareness about the devastating effect of the galamsey. Advocate for government to declare a state of emergency to stop all forms of mining activities to allow for evaluation of the damage and also healing of the land. Mobilize Catholics and Ghanaians to demand that government acts now and not keep giving promises. Foster collaboration among stakeholders to address the issue of mining activities that are destructive to our environment.
We and offer Catholic for Yinada, said that Chanasa prayer walk we are bompaye, Sagadam say, you bet you see, Unamo Famunim.
Catholic is one of the important days, months where we go on to pray and ask Mother Mary to join us in our prayers. If you all remember, the first sign of miracle that was done, it was through the mother. The mother was the one who went and told the son during a wedding feast that please do something for these people. And the same way, all Catholics are asking Mother Mary, do something for Ghana. So it is our wish and prayer that all of us will come together so that we can pray and change the hearts of those who are digging, those who are to plant, and those of us who are also talking.
Free Anomonia Consamfu from second lady Hajia Samira Nana Free Bawumia Abe Piemo Asantimantemu ya Wabontoa Eto MPP and Swadi Unity Tunu on one ura Dr. Laji Mamudu Kwabanajimai Ne Manani Swadi Undi Achira Ghana this year na Ukopiemu Ewa Menshia Pimsone se tu Abe Bio Nipoto so Ne wa en wakase Onmiye pa se baby o men Jina se no Ajire Wobia Ukutani Mdia Wadinama Befo Kwanso Besa chire mu ti se wokunu ene odi Ghana beko ba bi epese yekro no o se na nado danko akufu ado waye bi na ya waye bi ni so Dr. Laji Mamudu Bawumia wasua ne ma bebre enso de afiri wa ase ma no kwan a wono so betumi de wo man no so de akoduru empempenso foforo eno na nam so nti a waba be pie mu e wo Asante Mantem Krotam Kumase mu enam so e mo pemfo so de afutuo de ama no se bra wo bonto yi wonni atanie emfiri ne nkasaye mu na wonkoso ada na wo mo ne ntoa wanfa swada san ko pie mu on esentema na efie ko bi ensupoto so e mo koje ne nsem enhira
eto so bi senior no enim no neba ni bibia excellency Alhaji Dr. Mamudu Bawumia a ono ankasa tete no odi efutupa edi ahye no ntim wachire na kwanpa nimdie eni nyansa no nyamencha de MPP ekoyi ne obetu franka de amo no omuno mu ne se ombe omampenyen emfama Ghana na kwanhwa era edi amane ntino ono so esi ne bo se oba bepeja Ghana se mpempe so aye papa anado danko ekufu ado president Ghana bedroom also ebe so na we pejemo magana afade ntoma pefra
Hajia Samira na free Mamudu Bawumia ene yete ne nka wo bra na ogina mu ewo menhia tua pemu ya wo tua eye Dr. Laji Mamudu Bawumia pa se ne abedi achie Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe wo heneba wono so ene mu a wo bo entu akopie mu ewo krofrom eno no de ato party achitafo nyina dan so anim osikaman se wo mo nsore waka nwura fiefie mu ene yedan nyina dan nwura mu a na wo mo MPP hu dawuro emfa nkyere Ghana fo o se na adada kwa kufu adu amemwe woma ye niema pa nti mo nsuo mu trase woma nsen ye bo na wo munya kokudro na niema pa MPP abeya ye woma nkankyere Ghana fo wo se 2016 woma beba abemu no na koko boto ba ko ton wetumi to instrument bag no edumiensa nanso enei se wuto koko boto ba ko a etumi to cement mag no eduasanan enu nti MPP wonoma ye bi
the do like the man you never be out. You never there. You never say. Baby, I'm solution. I had a day. Baby, I'm solution. I had a day. Baby, I'm Dr. Mamudu Bawumia. I had a response. Bawumia, last year, Bawumia. MPP, I am party also a shelter region. Baby, I will be also be a going to us. Yes, Baba MPP.
Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe, one na yetu pemu, and so Edema, Dr. Laji Mamudu Bawumia, and Wechen Urales Branson, Onusu, Ejina Muslim Rashebe Janino, Onusu be a can.
Yeah, really. Wake up, Chamo. Someone winning. Some Branson said, you know, I baby. Dr. Saint, I baby. Mama someone winning. You my pa. Nana Adodan kwa akufu ado. Ena ono ba Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wama ye ajama apropos conference. Ana ye ni hwekra no ya wa district awe ha. Ana wonya so ba so ana. PSHS wonya bi. Digitalization wonya bi. Afedi ajepio.
Ekuafo ya wamo pakro ene enyina Ajinase no wo Equiapem South and I watch him and so the friend this amanyuko and say the osu friend na oni so ba wono a say nyame o Madonna His Excellency John Dramani mama wo fra ba enwa ene won nyere ne ho pa na gadam say no won takre ne ye entu ase krakrakra wo mo kire mu say dansu eyesu kase no no de ye won mu bibia na nso nei awudro bi na mu a se wo kodua atosode ne titu ni nkuruma na ene na atoro ka nyade ya yetumi asokora eti ade wa kase ene de abrewom ni nyina ne se Professor Jena na opokwa agema onu so eyetua pemu de ama His Excellency John Dramani mama onu so kopie mu ho ene omde wo masemu editu nanim na nayema eye ahingu a otoso mienu ewo mpepere no so enso de to Professor Jena na opokwa agema nim se wo mo chip company bia anwe ne se esimpatamu no wo mo nye de obetu biara so mo ba ban mu a wo mbe wiewie ne kwakra de ama wo Professor Jena na opokwa agema se ni di sidie wo mo bompunto ho ban ti de wo maka nyina wo mo ba wo mo de be adwuma di hu ya bebre se tape no yentumi amobi amamu enti yenwe kase bonom e wo Ghana Enterprise Agency wo de hyehyɛ de egu akwamo ne Ghana Mastercard Foundation for akabomu na wode nsanu dwuma de suamu akade e de abeboa emebunu ahenu eni edu nwotwe asante mantemu owura yire kosi yanki ya oda ekoya no ene wo kiremu se emebunu be se mpimnum ene wa asante mantemu a wonam nsanu dwuma de kire so ama wonum ntete na woje saa nieme ya ebetumi aboa wom training a wo ye ebi ye cosmetology, electrical installation, plumbing, carpentry and fashion design. Ebra wode niema no sei ene ma mi kai
Ghana Enterprises Agency program na ye no ye partner with Master na Ghana Enterprises Agency program na ye no ye partner with Master na Ghana Enterprises Agency program na ye no ye partner with Master
I don't know. Learn to aswe. Na sentiment time so phone when you first time semester and so ebo won mabaso papa when you swadi hu ati say ya wo de aba na wo so hwa MPP aban na ni swadi hu nyina say obebo adwuma kwan e de ama mebu no titiriu ene sanu dwuma na obi bia dan so enya ne chefa Osiafo aje tawai e be sole Nani sunu do be kana no para nyame aso akoma mu a be ka de yanka busuafo e de asi yankamfo 21st clinic enso emfa emawo na no pay to ase twetwe oje ho anya 15 branches across Ghana ebi wo bi akona kwaje wa ya hwe sompa chedie Bible say de hu mobroni mobo wo de afam awurade o medofo awurade asemnie wo se ya meposo ene kwaye mu nwan nyina da ye ne de to da bi aye biribi na hu ye hia bremu no so akotu de ama no se awurade wo kai ye no nti ena ye sremo se enyanka ne akurafo ne so wo mu bedidi nti kakra bi ekuta wo nsam no momo line no da so no 05985598 9802 05 98 55 9802. Edi ebeba ye Blessed Foster Anatara One Media would be to swa unyamenso ubeshra santi ebo Benedict and as a move for penny or sonic as the way so croje Marcus Somalis abetona betinechiri Safo Kantan Kane dominant social dracanum ebe juma MCR hodema yen anopei or hinini ama cranchada of Mami Primeni mena mekenka kasebo yes sorry